Hey folks, this is what they do annually for health, like for like when we go riding and stuff. So they do this every year.
Usually we don't leave standing water, but just in case we have trouble.
Sometimes it's neighbors or anything, or say if you're driving by anything, you know, some big water leak in your neighborhood.
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the info.
All right, everyone.
Nice to see you guys again.
I got it, dry ice or something?
Yeah, dry eyes pretty much represent us releasing the carbon dioxide, so mosquitoes are attracted to our body odor.
Hi everyone, I'm a local realtor here in the city of Fontana. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You'll have my contact information.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Thank you for the
Yeah.
There's snacks here too if you guys want any.
It's okay, this is fine.
I got over here.
Later on, like 3:30 to 8, that's when we have more.
For sports? Sports.
Boxing?
Take a
Oh, that could be me. I could get it. I could get in the ring with them. Hudson Done. Is it the healthy?
Good right here.
Is it the healthy thing?
Yeah, this is, they teach you how to eat healthy food, stay healthy.
Folks, when you go on the ride, they got all these signs as we go on. Hi there.
Hi.
See, they got all the signs here.
How are you?
Good, how are you guys?
We're doing great.
Pretty good.
Trying to see what you guys are about. So eating healthy to stay healthy.
Yes, ma'am.
Love it, love it.
Yes. So what we do is we come over to your home and we cook a meal for you. We give you a day off of cooking.
Oh, okay.
And we'll make something like crispy chicken using no oil, no salt. It'll be absolutely delicious, but healthy. Yeah, and we also incorporate a lot of vegetables. If you have anyone in your home that maybe has a little bit of a hard time eating vegetables, we incorporate it in the meals, pasta, rice, things like that, but super healthy,
Okay,
super free.
I have a legit question to ask.
Yes.
So I have a cooking show
Yeah.
that I do out of my home and it's on Facebook and YouTube. If one of you came to cook with me, would you mind being recorded to be on my show?
I would
could
not
promote.
mind. I
We
would
could promote
not
what you do
mind.
and promote the dish and everything.
100%.
Well, can we set it up then? I'll give you my
Let's
card.
set it up. What are you doing today? After today, what are you doing?
But don't we need to go get the food though?
We bring everything.
You bring the food?
We bring everything.
So can we set it up for like next week better?
Absolutely.
Yeah, 'cause
Absolutely. Go
I
ahead.
need to go like make sure all my cameras are charged and
They wanna film us and be on
Would you like to
YouTube.
put your name?
Okay, I
It's
guess.
like,
So you said no?
It's like his
You said
childhood
no?
dream.
Let me check. Let me
I
check with
can
my
see
agent.
he has the personality.
And check with it.
Okay, what do you need?
What the agent say? What do you say?
Sorry if you left your name
I'm the agent. How can I help you?
I would say Monday, but I don't know what I have waiting for me on
No,
Monday, so
Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday of
Yeah, Mondays definitely don't work. Let's see.
Yeah.
What's it gonna be?
Let's see what you got.
Ooh, whisk.
Hey, whisk winner. So we're gonna use your whisk. And be like, right? Yeah. That was a beach ball.
Ah, I like the shape.
Yeah, you have a beach ball.
No, I just said hello.
Take a flyer. Take a flyer. Have you got your vaccines, guys? Grandma Omega.
Which ones?
Talk to me.
I got flu and shingles.
Yeah. Dignity. What's that?
Get married?
Huh?
Get married?
Oh. I'm not. That's not gonna happen to me. You know why?
Why?
Because I'm an ugly away.
Thank you so much. So auto extraction down there in a few minutes. So make your way down to the fire department. Check out that exciting activity. Thank you so much. And it's getting warm. Grab a paletta for the road. Get some ice cream, do it, or one of our healthy Fontana refreshments there.
Hello.
Also, a photo booth, plenty of other free giveaways here. Thank you
You want
for
one?
coming out for our 11th annual Let's Go.
For there? Thank you.
Big guy, thanks. Woo.
get out of a burning house?
I know.
Huh?
Crimo. Hey people, Joe here. We down at LA. We come to
Taste of soul.
we come to take a walk at the Taste of Soul. This is where this is where all the people come and bring their food so you can take a taste of the soul food. I know. I know, you gotta buy it, folks. So you could buy it. I mean, you can take a taste, but you gotta buy it.
I think some people do give a little taste because they want you to buy.
Yeah, that's true. So we're almost there. You can see, we're almost.
Hurry up, boo.
Yeah, man. It's a, you know, on the street that they close off all the streets and nobody have no parking. So I was saying, if they want to do something like that,
Open up the street.
what they want to do something like that, build a big
Parking lot.
and you don't have no problem.
Maybe they don't have no space for that.
Somewhere over there,
Do you see a space over there?
right there.
There's buildings over there.
So folks, we're getting ready. We're getting ready to enter right now. It's over there. See?
Okay, stop for a second. Pay
Sure.
attention to the entry.
Okay. I know.
They are sponsors.
Folks, it's hot out here. Woo! It's a hot one. I gotta be sweating like a...
I want to tell you right now. You
Folks, you see the crowd out here?
Because I don't even know what that is. Is that food? That's a sample. Actually, I was going to, but you already beat me to it. So here we go. Hold on. The first person right now, very easily, very simply, show me 1 penny. A penny. A penny. I need to see it. I need to see it. I need to. Right there. There you go. Right there. I got my winner.
It's crowded out to people. Bad. But it's hot, folks. It's hot. Young man minding, this young man minding the sign, huh? They got all the food trucks. folks are leave restaurant. It's nice in here. Andrew, it's okay.
Alright, don't make the gallop like no giant.
Will it take too long for fix up, man?
Oh my god!
They're higher.
Say, so,
First. Wait,
say something, I can't be
Look on
quiet.
Derek first. Derek, you snap?
Yeah.
Okay, he just to film.
Let me see your one.
He just to film.
You guys got something you want to say?
I'm gonna think you're thinking we're out of memory.
I'll pick up some memory.
There. It's nice.